Welcome to another video on the C30 LS swap we got. We're going to be upgrading the spot plug wires because I keep bundling them in two, and if you drive 30 minutes you either have to twist the spot plug where it don't ground out, you know, the spot plug wire, because it burns in two, or change it completely. So I'm going to try to combat this with a new set of plug wires, and I'll show you how. So let's pop the hood. Fancy, I know. So my engine should be cooled off. I did use this today, but it's had about 4 hours of setting time, so hopefully it's not too hot. The plug wires I got are these high energy suppression cables. They look pretty good. Now they do need cleaned. I had them for quite a while, but we are going to install them. We're going to take these off just like so, and I got these lithium greased up so they try not to stick. There should be some lithium grease on there, so let's go ahead and install the first one. They install just like the old ones come off. Should anyway, I hope. This one ain't installing too good. Okay, am I doing something wrong? Is that spring holding it off? Oh, that goes. Oh, these are a snug fit. In it goes. Pretty tight dog. Here's one that keeps burning in two, by the way. It came off, wasn't even attached. And I just keep, you know, twisting it around. It gets you for a couple miles. Okay. It's gonna be hard to do with this, the way that plug is designed. It goes right against that. You can see needs to bend a little. So even though we got these on there, I might have to dent this just a little or something. Not sure. Come back to that one here in a minute. Let's go ahead and add this, and I might have to make some custom plug wires. Is this one burning too? Yep. It's getting burnt. Getting crispy. Not as bad as the other one though. Need something to stand on. Just stand on this old tire and try not to fall off. Ugh. You know, if this truck was lowered, I wouldn't have to have something to stand on. Look at that. It worked. Let's see if we can get this on here. Still gonna get by there too. Gonna have to get ceramic here eventually. Gonna get some ceramic boots eventually, looks like. Come here. There we go. Or shorty plug wire spot plugs. Or something like that. Put this on. See if it's actually goes. Okay. Looks like she clicked on. Okay, how's that plug wire? Twist her a little. She's on there. Is this one burnt too? Probably is. Broke. Wonder why I'm having so many misfires. Oh, it could be plug wires. Could be. I mean, looking at what come off this. Go. So I don't know how long these will last. I need some tight 90s or some of them lava covers, you know, those old ones. But they are not. It's running better. You can see the damaged ones. One was burnt completely in two. I can tell a difference in it. I do got an exhaust leak. gotta take care of. Holding good oil pressure, as you can see. We're charging good too, so let's just put this back in gear. Just like so. Put my tire up, might need that again to step on. There we go, Mr. Tire, you're in a good spot. Well, that looks like we got this for now. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it's a quick update on the C30. You know, we have did a lot of work to this so far. Look at a battery. We need to make a hold down, don't we? Maybe later. But yeah, we need to fix this power steering line too. It leaks. You can see it dripping right then. Straight down. There's still more work to be done, you know, to get it fully lined out and amounts made. Oh, no plug wire. Sing better days. So if you enjoyed this fast roll update, you know, drop a comment. If you do, get subscribed. You know, leave a like. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.